If you're curious about current processing times for green cards inside the United States, as well as recent trends, then this is your video. So I'm attorney Lee Marvin, and I've been specializing in immigration law for over a decade. My main office is in Grand Rapids, Michigan, but I help individuals and their families with immigration in all 50 states and really anywhere in the world. If this is your first time joining me and watching my channel, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you can get notified of future videos about this and other very thrilling immigration topics, okay? So I will tell you that I want you to stick around a little bit longer, so don't hang up right now. Stick around because a little bit later I'm going to give you a recent update about a change to immigration policy that is guaranteed to make you happy, okay? So regularly I get requests to provide updates to processing times for green card requests, whether that's green card requests in the United States or out of the United States. And I'm providing this to subscribers and clients and anyone who's interested so they have a better idea of how this works and how much time their family has, how much wait time for their processes. So these processing times are always in flux. So I regularly release a video like this so people are up to date, okay? So there are literally dozens of processing centers across the country that all process things at different times, okay? So it's important to stay on top of these videos so you know where a sampling of these processing centers are with green card requests. Now we're talking about green card requests inside the United States, okay? So basically I-130 requests for family members to be able to move forward with their process, okay? So I am going to give you that information for a sampling of the most popular service centers or field offices rather. But first, as promised, I wanted to provide you a few trends that I've been noticing recently that you're going to find interesting, okay? So trend number one, many interviews are still being canceled for the good, right? Across the country for people that don't have to go to interviews anymore, okay? This is unheard of prior to COVID. Since COVID, they started doing this so people don't sue the government, okay? So we're seeing a lot more of these, and this could potentially shave off 4 months from a waiting period to get an interview scheduled. So this is a really great trend. The second trend I've noticed is not great. So we've seen new requests for evidence for public charge information for the first time since Trump left office, okay? I don't know why, but parents of U.S. citizen children sponsors are now being asked to prove that they're not public charges. I don't know why Biden's doing this, but it's the first time since Trump left office that this now is becoming a thing, okay? So stand by. If this is you, you might get one of those requests to provide public charge information, okay? So the last and most exciting trend is the new approval for 5-year work permit authorizations instead of 2 years. So we're seeing a lot more of these. In fact, this week, we started getting them for the first time. So this is a really great thing for people who are getting work permits and they don't want to keep paying money and renewing and expiring, and it's a mess. So 5 years now for select requests. So stand by for that if this applies to you. Okay, so without further delay, the following is a sampling of new and updated processing times for different field offices across the country. So there's a lot of them, as I already said, but these are the most popular ones that our clients usually have to deal with. Atlanta, Georgia, 21 and a half months to get your approval to be able to move forward. Chicago, 16 and a half months. Cleveland, 12 and a half months. Detroit, 14 and a half months. Houston, 16 months. LA, 16 and a half months. Miami, 21 months, a little bit longer than the others. But those are the processing times for I-130 petitions for families that are moving forward with the green card process, okay? So again, this video was intended to act as both an update for processing times and also alerts for new trends within USCIS field offices. You can always watch other videos on my channel for related videos and for other advice. You can check it out online, or if you have a direct question you want to talk to me about, you can click the link below to schedule an appointment to talk with me directly. As always, I want to help you succeed with any of your immigration processes.